Hi, this is Jed Norwood with Forex Strategy Secrets. I'm really excited to be able to showcase this specific detail. I think it's important that people understand what profit is really being seen with the strategy that we're talking about here. The 15 strategy is amazing. It's very simple. 3 time frames, 3 basic things I'm looking for, and when you get the signal, you take it. When you get the signal to exit, you exit. It's that simple. It's really not that hard. But what I really want to show you is how you can become profitable and what that might look like for you. Okay, so currently in my live account I'm trading 2 standard lots. Now that amount of money that I'm trading may be more than you can do yourself with the current lot size or current account you have and the lot sizes you need to manage your money with. I totally understand that. So let me just talk pips for a second, because we're dealing with your percentages are going to be different than mine from trader to trader depending upon how many lots a trader can safely trade. So I'm averaging somewhere between 25 and 85 pips a day. Okay, so that's anywhere from with my 2 standard lots, that's $500 to $1,700. So in all reality, I'm averaging roughly between $900 and $1,200 a day most of the time. Okay, so I'm throwing that number out there. You're going to have to plug in your lot sizes times the number of pips I just demonstrated you could possibly make, but we'll go from there. So here's one currency pair that I traded 4 different trades on. Now, this wasn't the only pair I traded today. There were some other trades taken in some other pairs, and I did lose some trades. And I'm not going to showcase all the losers. I'm just going to showcase what I made, and then I will eliminate all my losses on the next slide. You'll see what that, or in a couple slides. So these 4 trades yielded me 26.5 pips. That netted me, or grossed me, $530 for this particular pair in this session. Okay, just keep that in mind. We're going to come back to this in a second, but I just wanted to showcase how, I'm right in that 25 to 30 or 25 to 85 pip target I told you I said I'm usually hitting, and this is only part of what I traded. So 26.5 pips yielded me $530. Not bad for a little bit of work. Okay, so let's go back in history a little bit. So earlier last week, I had a trading day where I didn't have any losses. It was just 3 wins, 3 trades, cut and dried. That yielded me $514. It was just around 23 or 25 pips, somewhere in there. Really, those are the kind of days I like to have. Everybody wants to have days when they're not losing anything, but that's not always the case. So just so that you know, we're going to speak reality here. You're going to sustain losses. It's how you recover from those losses. It's how you manage those losses, and how you get your head back in the game after you sustain a loss or two. Keep swinging that bat. Do the trading strategy the way it's designed. You can always recover from small losses. All my losses are small because I push for small. Okay. So taking the gross from the previous slide, the 530, there were also 7 other trades I took at different segments of the market. Some during that $530 stint with the pound yen, some additional. Okay. What I ended up yielding in additional yields are $404.65, and then again $337.47. So you total up these 3 numbers, I ended up with a gross of $1,272.12. My losses were $312. So I netted $960.12 for the day. This is doable. This happens consistently on days when I'm trading at my peak and I'm focused and I'm not distracted. And that's something that everybody needs to be aware of, is how to stay on track, how to stay focused and not distracted, not let emotional things get in the way, or whatever it is that can get you down or get you discouraged. Okay, But if you're able to do this consistently, and I'm here to tell you that if you were to do half this good, which on average 25 pip day, that's fantastic. I'll take 25 pips every day if that's all I'm going to get. And I'm talking net profit. There's going to be losses sustained there a lot of times. You just have to deal with that. It's just reality. But 25 pips a day, you're looking at a $500 day with 2 standard lots. You could be looking at a $200 day or a $100 day, depending upon the account size you have and the lots you're trading with. But just consider this. Little incremental earnings each day, 25 pips worth every day, consistent net profit. At the end of a trading period or a month, you're looking at some substantial money. If you got a $1,000 account, you can easily double that account. If you're looking at a $10,000 account, you can easily double that $10,000 account in a month. It's not that hard. But it does take patience. It does take discipline. It does take focus. Remember, 3 simple things I'm looking for on 3 time frames. That's it. Come take advantage of this. Learn what the program's all about. Get involved. Become one of our traders. Work with us. And let us help you find the success you're looking for in the market. This is Jed, signing off. Bye for now.